Hello, we're talking about skin complexion.
Yes.
Tutu, what is this about skin complexion in Botswana? I noticed a lot of the ads are dark-skinned women. What's up with that?
One thing I love about my country, Botswana, is that we appreciate and value our dark skin, our natural skin. We're not impressed by this white skin or skin lightening or bleaching. We don't do that.
We stick to
Nobody in our country do that. Okay.
Here and there.
Wait. I saw 2 cows the other day doing some bleaching.
But
nah. Here, no one has ever done what you call it, augmentation.
Whoa.
Which is yes, they have never done that. They have never done.
And we don't have surgeons also to do that.
Yeah, breast enlargement and what and boob jobs and buttock jobs and augmentation and pigmentation and
I did a little adjustment. Is that you guys are gonna be?
That's a problem.
I did a little adjustment.
Yeah, that's a problem. That's your problem.
we're built like that. All
That
the
is your
things
problem.
that you see on TV,
Natural.
it's natural.
Natural.
It's so
Africa is
natural.
natural, eh? Africa is so natural.
Not everywhere. In Cape Town, it's and
90%.
someplace in Ghana and Nigeria.
Let's say 90% of Africa is natural.
Okay,
let's talk about Botswana.
Let's just talk about Botswana.
Since we are here in
Yes,
Botswana.
it's going to be a competition with other countries
Yeah,
knowing that Botswana
95%.
does not bleach. Botswana no bow. Botswana no sell out.
95%. Okay, let me say 98% of Botswana is natural. Natural.
Wow, this is
But
so good to hear.
We have those people who are light skinned but naturally
Like Yaku.
light skinned, like Yaku.
And the
One of
empty.
the guys, yeah, they're naturally light skinned.
That's a mixture with the white and black.
And black.
Yes.
So bleach, you guys don't bleach.
No.
You don't smoke a lot of marijuana.
No.
No.
You don't, the police doesn't have weapons.
No.
There's not a lot of guns here.
No.
Not a lot of violence.
My wife has never seen a gun in her life. Unless the one I have at home. You put that on TV too?
Yes, everything is going.
Unless the one I have at home.
So,
I have an air
so let's rifle this again. No bleaching.
No.
Low
No
crime.
augmentation, no pigmentation.
No augmentation.
No.
No penis extension.
No.
Alright, so now, right now, we have a clean street. I'm gonna go back on the road again. Police doesn't have guns.
No.
The guy that guarding the bank doesn't have guns.
No.
The fresh fruit juice is $1.60 naturally.
Yes.
The okra is $1.40 for a whole bunch.
Yes.
Food is very cheap. You could spend 90 cents for lunch.
Yes,
Yes.
of course. Like what we did yesterday.
Yes, we did that.
Yes.
Now, what are the dark sides to Botswana? What is it? Let's talk about some of the dark sides because we want to get this out. Maybe later. We'll talk about it later.
Yeah, later. We
All
can
right,
talk
so
about that later.
boom. These are the positives.
Yes.
And
The positive overweighs. They are just showing the love.
this is beautiful country here. Everything
This is the
clean.
main radio station, TV station of Botswana.
And I haven't seen a beggar yet.
And you will never see one either.
Man, you just hardcore cut to the case. Boom.
Yeah, you will never see one unless I become one. No, you will never see a beggar.
You'll never see a beggar.
No, you will never see a beggar.
Choppies.
Choppies, this is the one of the main superstores in Botswana. One of the prominent, let me say.
Owned by
prominent.
Indians.
Yes.
So now 95% of Botswana is operated by black businesses,
Yes,
real
of
estate.
course,
What
yes.
other line of the business in Botswana?
Repeat yourself.
Real
I didn't get you.
estates, car, you know.
Okay, mostly here they are into farming, they are into construction, they are into what else? Transportation. Yeah, those are the main businesses.
Why are they sitting down having a good time? They shouldn't be working hard or something?
No, they are on lunch break.
How much time you get for your lunch break?
They get about an hour or so.
And they take the whole hour.
Yeah, they take the whole hour sleeping, doing nothing.
You
Yeah.
don't sit.
They
at
utilize that hour by sleeping.
You don't sit at your desk.
No, at your desk.
You
for
don't
lunch.
eat your lunch.
All
at your
these
desk?
ones here are on lunch break. Look at that. Look like what I said. They are.
Whoa!
Sleeping.
Slow down. We gotta
They're
catch
sleeping.
that. Slow down, bro.
They're sleeping
Oh
here.
my gosh, this is what lunch break looks like?
Yes.
Okay.
They are sleeping. They are lazing around.
No. Taking the rest.
Kiddies playground.
Oh, Okay.
When mommy and daddy goes for shopping,
This is where Pablo comes.
Pablo comes
I
and
normally
play here.
take Asa here every Sunday.
Oh.
Yeah.
Pablo's playground.
Wow, you know, Tyler was supposed to record all this so I wouldn't have to come and do it myself.
Well, since you are here,
You know, might as well,
they
right?
make him.
Jeez, I'm glad I came because
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
I would have never seen this amazing
Yes.
country.
Correct.
And now I could share this with the world. World, thank me for spending all this money to show you for free this incredible world.
That's it.
And all this driving in the back-breaking pain on the plane.
That's it.
Oh man, I've traveled
Oh,
a long
yeah?
distance. Yeah,
Yeah, but
18 hours.
it wasn't in vain.
It was worth it.
Yeah.
Coming here, my final stay, and I think I'm gonna drive to Victoria Falls.
Yeah.
Botswana gets the high points, and we're gonna write these bullets down to say what we're saying. Botswana is one of the best countries in the world.
Yes.
It's a chocolate city.
Sweet.
Peace
Peace
out.
out.
Double chicken is 6 hours. That's good. So we get 2 of those.
Okay.
So then I'll play pool
Yeah.
at this
On a
time of
Friday
day.
afternoon,
Friday
yeah.
afternoon. What? You still
Around
work
half
always,
two.
right?
Yeah. That man just a joking
Mostly
pool.
you find out
So they
that
cover the pool table?
After they finish playing, yes, they do.
Wow. This is Africa.
This is the real Africa.
mostly those guys are taxi drivers, so as they wait for customers to come and
They play pool.
Their pastime, yeah.
Okay.
pushing time with that.
Oh, so this is Botswana.
This is a small cab service here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So a lot of business. Every man do them business.
Yep. Everybody's self-employed.
Self-employed.
Yeah, the one
They make a lot more money.
better.
Self-employed.
Yeah.
Mechanics make a lot of money.
You're gonna exit
Yes.
the way we came in, okay? It's faster than
I think barber shop that.
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is the stuff that's amazing, you know. This is what you call life. Innovation. This is America, you know, because America is free market.
How much you pay for a haircut in America? Normal haircut.
200 pula.
$20
Yes.
for a haircut?
200 pula.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
For your whole mouth.
Here you can cut. Here a haircut is $1.50. $1.50. Some $2.
Yeah.
Yeah, so practically with $20 you can get 10 cuts.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I have
And
to
I'm talking about a proper haircut.
get my hair cut and then fly back
It's
out.
what, 2 weeks?
Yeah. A
Two
proper
months.
haircut plus
Because you do
wash.
it every week, like
Mm-hmm.
you.
Plus wash, yes. Plus you wash your hair,
Wow.
you shampoo it and you dry it and you get it sprayed with your mentholated spirits and you apply a bit of Demetal and all of that and you are good to go. Bump those bump things and all of that.
Yeah.
You are good to go.
But I've been cutting my own hair for probably 10 years now.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. That's the cheaper way. And it's more safe.
My haircut, my barber is a mirror.
Yeah. He's the one that communicates with you.
watermelon, you see?
I still didn't get
Right
any
from the
watermelon yet.
These are the guys who repair tires.
And this is
Good
a
for
tire
about
shop.
$2.
Boom, in the making.
Yeah. No, it's a tire shop already made.
But I mean,
Yeah.
you know,
A full equipped tire shop.
yeah, they're gonna
And
do
there
some more.
under the tree, he's
So
making